bon appetit. Please follow, like, and share, and subscribe, please. Subscribe to my channel.
Friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce, you drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce, you drippin' swag goo. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce, you drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce, you drippin' swag goo. Oh.
Mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. Shutting shit down in the mall. And Sunday, girl, she the one for me, and I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine, ever mine.
Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the ground. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo, dropped a mixtape, that shit sounded like an album. Who'da thought a countrywide tour would be the outcome? Labels want my name beside an X like Malcolm. Everybody got a deal, I did it without one. Yeah, nigga, I'm about my business. Killing all these rappers, you would swear I had a hit list. Everyone who doubted me is asking for forgiveness. If you ain't been a part of it, at least you got to witness. Bitches,
it may not mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done to me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. Shut shit down in the mall. And Sunday, girl, she the one for me, and I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. changed. I stuck my dickers out as light until that bitch came. I went hard, all fall like the ball teams. Just so I can make it rain all spring. Y'all seen my story, my glory. I had ripped the game young. You could call it statutory when a nigga blow up. They gon' build statues.